Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about string in a Python. Okay, so these are the things which we are going to cover. Okay, today we are going to cover this one, creating and storing a string. So before creating and storing a string, let's understand what actually string means in Python. If you will recall, okay, generally in C, C++ or in Java, if we write A, it will be called as a character. Okay, even if you write 1, 2, 3, any number, it will be treated as a number or integer. Okay, even if you are writing any symbol as at the rate, hash, or dollar or modulus, okay, and operators. So like this, even if you are writing any symbol, this will be treated as a symbol. But what happen if you are going to create, if you want to create a string in Python, we can create using a quotes. It might be single quote, it might be double quote, it, it might be triple quote. Okay, triple quote generally we use to create a multiple line string. So suppose if we are writing inside 1 to 3, okay, sorry, let me write it single quote. Okay, single quote 1 to 3. Now here it will be treated as a string in Python. Even if you are writing any special symbol, dollar inside a double quote or single quote, it will be treated as a string. Even if you are writing anything, any group of character, it will be treated as a string. Suppose I am writing 3, hi, how are you? This is a multiple line string. Okay, so using triple quote, so in a Python we can create a string using single quote, double quote, or a triple quote. Okay, so the quotes can contain any number, any symbol, or any group of characters. Okay, so we can check it as using the Python ID. If you don't have Python ID, you can download it from python.org. Okay, so just open it, go to new file and maximize it, this one. Okay, so what we are going to see, so if you want to create a string, first create any variable. I am giving it name. Inside that I am going to write one single quote, for example Ravi. Okay, I have closed it, RAVI, and I am closing it. So what happened, I have created a one string Ravi, okay, inside a single quote. Now this Ravi is got stored into a name variable. So if you want to store a string, we need to create one variable, and Python will allocate that memory to the that variable. Okay, now what happened, now I want to print this one. Okay, we can get it as print and get name it. Okay, now I want to check that what actually name variable is storing inside it, which type of data. So we can use print and type function. Okay, type function, give it the name, okay, whatever variable you created, to know what type of data it has stored. Control S. So here we have, you will need to say between string string 4.py, any file name. Py is an extension. Okay, now F5. So here you can see that Ravi is a string. Okay, so similarly if you want to check it is using the single quote. See, even if we are giving it as inside the single quote, okay, control S, then F5, okay, it will run. See, again it is treated as a string here inside a single quote. Even if you want to use triple quote, you can use, okay, triple quote. Now you see what actually happened. Now again control S and F5 for run. Okay, now you see here also again Ravi is treated as a string. So string can be created using a single quote, double quote, or triple quote. So I hope you have understood how to create a string. Now storing about a string. See, for storing a string we will always need a variable. Okay, now this Ravi string is going to get stored into name variables. Okay, and the what type of data name has stored, it is decided during the runtime. Okay, so for storing a string we will need a variable. Okay, and that for memory will be allocated to that variable. So this is how we can create and store a string in a Python. Okay, now check one special symbol. Okay, name. I'm going to just give any name. Okay, and I'm going writing is hash hash hash, and let's check what actually how it's behave. Okay, now I'm going to here. Okay, control V. Okay, control S. Now I'm going to run it again. Run. See here also what they are giving, this name hash hash is a string type. Okay, hash hash is a string type. Now what happened, I am going to give here a number, any number. Okay, 4 5 6 7, control S F5. Now you see here 4 5 7 is a string type. Now what happen, will happen if we will remove this double quote or single quote. Again control S F5. Okay, sorry, control S and F5. See, now it is behaving as a string, not a string, it is an integer. So just remember that while creating a string, just use the single quote, double quote, or triple quote. Triple quote generally, remember that, is used for multiple line string. So this is all about is creating creating a string and storing a string in a Python. I hope you understood this one. In next video we will see that basic string operation. Thank you and have a nice day. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.